Do you hear that, Doug? I'm coming to London. Evie, shut up and sit down, you big bald fuck.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to restore a faded window shelf on this BMW 6 Series coupe. It also works on E46, sedans, coupes. Due to the UV exposure, the color of the shelf turned into purple. The removal procedures are specific for this vehicle. There are some fasteners and you have to remove the C-pillars. You have to remove the seat bottom, the headrests and the back seat. You have to remove the speaker covers before, in some cases the rear vent panels as well. It is highly important to remove any dust particles inside the fabric. You can do this by cleaning with a vacuum cleaner or just using a simple horse hair brush. I mixed 2 times or 3 times 5 grams of cloth dye, black colorant. Put some salt in it, stir it for 2 minutes and then applied it with a paintbrush. I used movement horizontal and vertical. Apply more than enough dye so it can soak into the fabric well. It is suggested to wait at least 12 hours for the first coat to dry out. I personally applied 5 coats of dye until I reached this result. Don't touch the fabric until it completely dries. After this procedure, the fabric stayed soft and it didn't dry out. And it didn't get on my hands either. If you like my video, please put a thumbs up. If you have any comments, feel free to post them. Thank you.